In this video, we will compare Veed vs Heygen. Veed and Heygen are both tools for creating and editing video content. Veed is an online video editor for quick, professional, quality content creation ideas for social media. Veed has an intuitive interface which makes it easier for beginners and professionals alike to create a polished video very quickly. While great for basic editing, it lacks the depth and advanced features found in more professional editing softwares. On the other hand, Heygen specializes in AI-driven video generation, particularly using avatars for personal video content. Also, Heygen includes advanced multilingual capabilities and extensive avatar customization options. However, Heygen can feel very overwhelming for many beginners due to its range of features. In my opinion, Veed is great comprehensive video editing for beginners, whereas Heygen is great for professional video editors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.